traders, I've just been mucking up my chart now. I'm looking at the euro yen. Okay, so we have this level here, this high, previous high. We have this green candle daily order block, bearish order block. I've pulled, actually that was a red, sorry, that was on the 4-hour chart. So we've got a 4-hour and a daily nested order block, bearish order block through here where this rectangle is. So I'm looking at a buy opportunity. Target 1 is this high, target 2 would be this high, and target 3 is this high over here, okay, if it reaches that far. So if we go down to the 4-hour, I'll show you what I've marked up on the chart now. Okay, so we're looking at this a pullback entry, mainly because this is a big resistance level here. Right, so we could see a reaction off that. So I'm thinking a pullback down into here, that's 50% of a potential price swing up to here, thereabouts. Okay, entry here, target 1, and I would look to close 50% off at this level, and then move my stop loss to better than break even, and then sit on it and see what we get after that. Short and sweet, guys. That's my take on the euro yen. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, so definitely leave a comment below. That would be awesome. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.